Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, from where you are joining this from. Welcome to this channel. And today we just woke up to a very heavy snow here in China, Wuhan. And the snow is heavy. Actually, there is no public vehicle movement. You see, they have just been parked here because even some are at the farthest end, because the roads are all filled with snow, so the movement is a bit restricted, so that maybe they will start moving again later in the day. And now it is actually 11 a.m. and still it is like this. The movement is such tricky, actually. So in the years that I've stayed here in China, I think this is the second largest, if not the largest, snowing that I've seen here. And I have to admit that it was a bit intense. I have to look away to go to the farthest, go to the main road. But it is very cold. Huh? Even people have just parked their vehicles here, because you can't move now. Most people are just in their rooms because it is very cold and the road is very slippery. So there, you have to be careful on their movements. They are just trying to remove some snow on the road so that they can give maybe a way for the vehicles. You see, even there is this guy, he's just struggling to go on this street. He was actually supposed to drive towards me, but now he's going in the reverse because he could not come this side. I think it's the guy that parked here. Now he has to move to the other side. It's a bit tricky. Oh, he's now trying to go. Hopefully he will go. It is very tricky. Oh, looks serious. Wow. The road is very slippery for him. But finally he has gone. Very nice. Wow, you have a very big dog. It's a very big dog there. Wow, the snow is very cold. Actually, it is still snowing, and it has snowed the whole night. This morning too. The guy is shooting a video, which is so nice. Yes, a drone. He's trying to shoot a video. Wow, it's so nice. Oh, I wish I was operating such a drone. I think I would have enjoyed it. I would have enjoyed it with snow very much. But now, maybe in future. Hey, my hands. I'm just using my phone, so and my hands, I just feel like putting the phone inside so that I can also put my hands inside to avoid getting too much gold. But I am also recording video. I'm just walking towards my room. It's a bit far, but not that far. About 200 meters. See, the way trees are really surviving. Vehicles are all parked. They have caught too much gold. This is nice too. See the way he's telling that guy. Telling her to pose well. Quite funny. It's so nice. They are trying to remove very cool. So you see the trees have dropped some leaves. It is because the ice is too heavy for the branches, so most of them have really dropped the leaves, and it's understandable because the ice are heavy. Here it's so heavy. The ice is too much. You guys have to keep warm. There's a big hotel here, but now today guys are in their rooms, so they doesn't have customers. Customers are all indoors. So it's a bit tricky. When the ladies are just recording their videos. So this is always a very busy road. As you can see today, no movement. People are all indoors, which is a bit funny to say. Though they don't have any otherwise, they have just to be indoors because of the cold. It is a bit cold. And if you order taxi, getting a taxi is also too difficult. Actually, those people are actually waiting for a taxi, and getting a taxi is a bit hard today because driving in this road now is a bit tricky for the taxi drivers. The road is very slippery. Oh, this is the vehicle I came with. Wow. the way the ice is a thick one. Thick one. What? This is a serious one. Look at the leaves have really dropped because the ice. Well, so I'm heading to our home now. And evidently no one from morning has moved from the room. So this is where I stay. And I have now to end the video. And thank you for watching. I have to go and keep warm in my room. Thank you.